24-year-old Valencia Edmonds was 36 weeks pregnant when she met Dr. Susan Chappell in the emergency room.
I went to the doctor's hospital one night and I was throwing up, vomiting or whatever, and I saw Dr. Chappell while I was there. She was a doctor on call. I didn't have a doctor, and she told me, well, come in and they'll see me. They rarely turn people down.
Edmonds is referring to the Trinity Center for Women, a place where all women, regardless of their ability to pay, can get the care they need during pregnancy. For Edmonds, Trinity was the answer to her prayers. The mother of 3 had a history of high blood pressure and seizures during previous pregnancies. She even lost one child who developed a rare form of heart disease because of her health issues. Like a lot of other women in the Columbus area, no doctor would take her because she was too far along in her pregnancy.
But I was having problems finding a doctor, and it was kind of hard. You know, when you're late and it's hard, no one wants to see you.
Obstetrician Dr. Susan Chappell is very familiar with patients like Edmonds. She sees them come into the emergency room every day. She says there are many risks associated with women who deliver their babies without the benefit of prenatal care.
Your major risk, preterm births, low birth weights, growth-restricted children. As far as to the mother's health, you're talking about the elevated pressures. I mean, they could have strokes, seizures, death. Maternal mortality is still up there.
St. Francis's Trinity Center for Women is trying to prevent these things from happening. One of Columbus's largest OBGYN groups, OBGYN and Associates, came to St. Francis Hospital administrators with the vision of the Trinity Center.
It was an endeavor, but we kind of approached it with, God did not create us with a spirit of timidity, but with a spirit of power and love. And we were going to take that power and love and make something amazing. And that's what Trinity is.
Dr. Susan Epley is one of 9 obstetricians who sees patients at Trinity. Columbus has one of the highest infant mortality rates and low birth weight babies in the nation. The Trinity Center for Women opened its doors in December 2009. The center serves women like Edmonds who are not able to access quality prenatal care for whatever reason. The patients at Trinity not only receive exceptional clinical care, they are treated with dignity and respect.
We're excited about this. This is something we are committing our lives to, not half-heartedly, but 100%. We want these women to come in and feel like you have walked into the Ritz-Carlton of medical care, that you have walked into something special.
Not only does Trinity provide access to top-quality, board-certified OBGYN physicians, it also offers midwifery services. 3 dedicated, board-certified midwives work full-time at the center. Veteran midwife Melissa Terry Flynn explains the unique role of the midwife.
We really embrace that whole person, not just her pregnant belly, not just her cervix that needs a pap smear every year, but the whole person.
The number of patients being seen at Trinity is growing rapidly. Since last December, more than 1,250 women have come to Trinity seeking help. Trinity not only provides OB care and ensures the health of the mother and baby, it has even helped to save at least one life.
There was a woman who I saw as a first-time patient who did not have insurance but was embraced at Trinity. She came in because she'd had several months of spotting. And when I did an examination, she had a very abnormal cervix. Because she didn't have any finances, she hadn't received a pap smear for over 6 years. When I examined her, I biopsied her cervix, and it was cervical cancer. Now, cervical cancer in America is becoming, has a lower incidence because of pap smear screening, but still many women die of cervical cancer. We were fortunate in that we diagnosed cancer, and then through our hospital, we were able to get the appropriate medical treatment. So this lady is cured of cancer with treatment. I mean, we truly saved a life.
In less than a year, Trinity has been embraced by our community. Almost 800 women have received high-quality prenatal care and delivered healthy baby boys and girls. If there was no Trinity Center, women like Valencia Edmonds would just show up in the hospital and deliver their baby. They would not have appropriate prenatal care, and many would not deliver healthy, happy babies.